Welcome to LitCommerce Academy, your go-to resource for using LitCommerce app. In this video, we will show you how to link products and create new listings on LitCommerce. Linking products is a crucial part of any integration that helps you avoid duplication. You will see a linking icon and a small dot right above every listing. If it's blue, your listings are already linked to products, and you can put them live on all channels. If the dot is red, your listings haven't been linked, and you'll have to link them automatically or manually. Now, choose the unlinked listings. Click Link Listings, and LitCommerce will find the product that matches the SKU from your product list. And you're done. Next, you can list your listings from a sales channel and create back to your main store. Select the listings you want to list on main store and hit Create on Shopify, for example. Wait a few seconds, then check back your Shopify products. You can see your items appear on the list with the original source, and that's how to link products and create new listings on main store. The next step is to set up inventory sync and inventory rules. Check out the next video for more details. Thanks for watching.